In this session, we will learn how to schedule a test using the Test Setup Suite. Go to Others, where you will find the Test Setup Suite menu. Click on it to view the list of tests for which you can configure schedules. Select the test you want to schedule and then choose the appropriate group. You will see all the groups you are part of, and in the Actions column, you will find the Schedule icon. Click the Schedule icon to open a window where you can define the scheduling parameters. Enabling Open Schedule means the test will always be accessible with no specific schedule. You will have 4 options for controlling when results are shown. By attempt date interval. This option allows you to show results based on when the student attempted the test. You can set a specific number of days after the attempt, and the results will be visible only once that interval is completed. By test schedule close date interval. In this case, the results become visible only after the test's scheduled closing date. Once the test window closes for all students, the system waits for the defined interval and then releases the results. By selecting a custom date. You can pick an exact date and time when the results should be made available. This is useful when you want full control, like releasing results on a specific day. Never show results to students. If this option is selected, students will not be able to view their results at any time. Additional test settings. You can also configure the following test features. Hide the pause button for the test. Hide the end section button for the test. Hide the end test button. Restrict early exit from any section. Set the test speed to 1x, 1.5x, or 2x. After you have entered all the parameters, click on Schedule button to successfully schedule the test. You can also delete the schedule by clicking on Delete in the Actions.